Exercise example number 3. The number of the members in the 40 families in the Bhillar are as follows. Bhillar is the name of the village and the 40 family data is given. This 40 family holds how many members in the family, that one is given. This is the data. One of the family hold one member, 6, 5, 4, like this data is given. And according to that you have to find the mean members of the 40 family you have to find out. So you have to prepare the frequency distribution table and you have to find out the mean. So I prepared the frequency distribution table like this. Number of the members in the family, frequency, and number of the members in the family I will write this as xi, frequency I will write as fi, and you have to find out the fi into xi, product of the fi into xi. Then here you have to find out that the number of members in the data, that will minimum 1 and the maximum 7, and this is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means you have to find out the frequency of the number of members in the family, and data of the 40 family is given. Here you have to find out the only one member. You have to find out only one member in the family. How many families are there that hold only one member? Then I will strike like this 1 and 1 in the data. You have to strike. Where is the 1? Here is the 1. So 2 members are there. Means 2 families hold only one member. Then how many families have the 2 members, that you have to find out. Then I will strike the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8 families have the 2 members in the family. Means 8 families are there that hold 2 members. Then this frequency of the 3 you have to find out. So I will strike the 3. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The frequency will come 7. Means 7 family holds 7 families are there that hold the 3 members. Then you have to find out the frequency of the 4. Frequency of the 4. Then you have to find out the frequency of the 4. 4 will come how many times in the data, that you have to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 times 4 will come. Means 8 families hold 4 members. Then you have to find out the frequency. 5, how many times 5 will come in the given data, that you have to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 times this 5 will come. Means 7 families hold 5 members. Then you have to find out the frequency of the 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will come 6. Then you have to find out the frequency of 7. Means I will say that 7 is how many times 1 and 2. 2 times 7 is there. Means in that village, Bhillar, 2 families hold 1 member, 8 families hold 2 members, 7 families have 3 members, 8 families have 4 members, 7 families have 5 members, 6 family have 6 members, and 2 family have 7 members. You have to find out the n. N is equal to sum of this. If we will do the sum at that time, this is the data of 40. So this addition has to come 40 and this will come 40. Then here you have to find out the fi into xi. Fi into xi means this is the fi, this is the xi, means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Then 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Then 8 into 4, 32. 7 into 5 is equal to 35. Then 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and 2 into 7 is equal to 14, and you have to find out the sum of Fi into Xi. Sum of Fi into Xi. If you will do the sum, that time this sum will come 156. This sum will come 156. Then you have to find out the mean. Mean is equal to sum of Fi into Xi upon n. This is the formula to find out the mean. 156 divided by 40. If you will do the division at that time, 156 you have to divide it by 40. Then 43s are 41s are 40, 43s are 120. So this will come 36 will remain. So you have to give the decimal point here, 0 will come, and 49s are 360. So your mean will come 3.9. Means find the mean member of the 40 family. Therefore mean member of 40 family is equal to 3.9. 3.9 is equivalent to 4. Means mean is 4. Mean member in the 40 family is equal to what you have to say, 4, because this is 3.9 means this one is equivalent to 4, and in this way you have to draw the frequency distribution table. You have to write this number of family in the number of members in the family. You have to write the frequency of that things, and you have to find out Fi into Xi. Here you have to find out n. Here you have to find out sum of Fi into Xi. Then you have to use the formula for the mean, and you have to find out the mean. In this way you have to solve the example. I think you understood. Thank you.